Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. Okay, what's the big shape? So you guys should know the drill. Type in the chat room what the big shape is. Yep, it's the body, and we're gonna use a rectangle, right? So the body is a rectangle. What is the middle shape? Circle for the head. What are the small shapes? The legs, right? See here and here. Okay, what else? So now we have our big shape, our medium shape, and our small shapes. Now we can add details, right? So we can add the tail. This is a curved line. And what else do we need to add? We need to add the muzzle, right? So we can use a circle for the muzzle. Yeah, that's the nose. Good job. We also have the details of the ears. We can add the ears here. We also have the eyes. What shape can we use for the eyes? Remember our basic shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, straight lines, and curves. So yeah, we can use either an oval, that could work. We can also use triangles like this, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna use a triangle. And what shape could we use for the nose? The tip of the nose here. Yeah, the triangle. Okay. So let's connect it. So someone pointed out we forgot the neck. So we connect the neck with two lines. All right, let's add the tail. And then for the stripes are a pattern, right? So what's a pattern? Let's talk about what a pattern is. A pattern is just something that repeats over and over again. So I'm gonna do this kind of pattern, these stripes, but I'm gonna make them in like a triangle form, or maybe we can make them like this. So let's make some like this. Okay, so you guys can just add patterns to your tiger. And then you guys have a tiger. So for the feet and paws, you can put circles. If you want, you can put triangles as claws. It's kind of fun. Cool, was that easy? How'd you guys do? Give me a thumbs up if you were able to do it. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.